All right, so today we're talking about significant digits. Now, a significant digit is a digit that actually has precision to it. It matters in science more than it does in math, because in math, it's still just a value, but in science, the way you write a number absolutely matters to other scientists. For example, if you write a number just at 30 milliliters, other scientists would look at that and say, oh, I don't know if it was exactly 30 milliliters, or was it maybe 30.05 milliliters, and he just rounded it? So the way you write a number is really important. The first rule for significant digits is that all non-zero digits are significant. So non-zero digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So rule 1 applies for 9 of the 10 digits. The second, and here as an example, the number 12,405, there are 4 non-zero digits and 1 zero. The second, third, and fourth rules all deal with the number 0. Sometimes it's significant, sometimes it's not. So you're going to learn those rules of when 0 is significant, bless you,
Thank you.
and when it's not. Rule 2 says zeros that are between two non-zero digits are significant. So for example, in the number 400 billion, we know that the 4 and the 5 are significant because they're non-zero. And now because of Rule 2, we also know that all of the zeros in between those two non-zero digits are also significant. So we know that that number would have 12 significant digits. Yes? Yeah, you're doing all of page 40. Thank you. Rule 3 says that trailing zeros in a decimal, that's why it's highlighted, it's really important to remember, are significant. For example, 45 and 0 thousandths, those trailing zeros are significant. Therefore, there are 5 significant digits in that one. This is a really good example of if a scientist were to write that number, he or she is telling other scientists, I've measured this out with a tool that's capable of measuring to the 1,000th degree, to the 1,000th of a unit. And therefore, it's a very precise measurement. So they are significant. And then the last rule, zeros that occur on the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. So for example, 1 and 52/100ths. If I put a 0 before that 1, that is not significant. And then this number here is probably more likely that you would see. The first 3 zeros are not significant, but the last 2 are. Because of Rule 4, these are Rule 3 tells me that these are trailing zeros in a decimal, so they are significant. Rule 4 tells me that these 3 are not significant. Yes?
Going back